Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to install datapacks in Minecraft. Open your browser and search for Minecraft datapacks. Click on any site. Let's say I want a compact cooking datapack. OK? Click Download Datapack. Once it's downloaded, open the file. Now let's unzip it. Extract all files. I'll unzip it to my desktop. There. It's now unarchived. See? It consists of these three files. Copy its name and create a folder. Paste the name. Move the unpacked files. You can delete this. Type %appdata% in run. Click OK. Open Minecraft. Find saves. Choose your world. Go to datapacks and add the new one. That's it. Like and subscribe. Have a great life. Good luck. Bye everyone.